In this question, there's a graph here that shows the height of a swinging pendulum board varies with time, and you are supposed to find what's the period. So firstly, you have to analyze the height time. So if I have a pendulum here and it's swinging, okay, let's label it as A, B, and C, and the height here. Now, since this is 0 and there's already a height of 0.20, so that will give you a hint. The smallest height of the pendulum board with respect to the ground, this most likely will be the 0.2 meters here. And then A and C will be the maximum height from the ground. And the maximum height here, let's say, is about 0.5 meters. All right. So that's how you interpret. So the next important thing is to find the period. You have to understand what is the how does it move in order to get the complete oscillation. So you starting from this point, this is your number one. At time equals to 0, your ball is over here. And then when it goes all the way to the highest point, that's your point C. This is your point B. Point C, that will take this time. Then when it comes back to here, it will go back to point B, and then will swing to the left. This will be your point A. But that is not one complete oscillation, so you consist of 4 equal parts here, 1, 2, 3, and it has to come back to your point B. So that means to say there will be another section here all the way. That will be your one complete oscillation. So the next thing you need to know is I need to find the time for here, and that will be my period. So can you see there are 3 equal parts here. So each part is actually about 1.5 seconds. So including this part here, the period will be 4.5 plus the 1.5. So total will be 6 seconds. So D will be the answer, the period of the oscillation.